Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Let's look at the white matter tracts. So you're looking at the white matter tracts, and this is nothing but of the brain. So first, the commissural fibers. So under the commissural fibers, they connect the corresponding regions of two hemispheres. So they connect the corresponding hemispheres. So corresponding hemispheres, they are connected the corresponding regions of two hemispheres. And the corresponding regions of two hemispheres. So what do they include? So they include the corpus callosum, that is CC, and the anterior as well as the posterior commissure. The corpus callosum, anterior posterior commissure, then the habencular commissure, and the hippocampal commissure of the fornix. There's hippocampal commissure. So the hippocampal commissure, this is of the fornix. Then we look at the association fibers. So how is the association fibers? The association fibers, it connects the various cortical regions within the same hemispheres. So it connects various cortical regions, and this is within the same hemispheres. So what are they classified into? The association fibers. The association fibers, they are classified into the short acting fibers. So there is the short acting. So what do you mean by short acting? Short acting means that it lies immediately under the cortex. So it lies immediately under the cortex. And what does it do? It connects the adjacent gyri. So it connects adjacent gyri. And what is the example here? The example is nothing but the arcuate fasciculus. There is the arcuate fasciculus. So let's look at the long association fibers. So under the long association fibers, it includes the presence of the uncinate fasciculus. There is the uncinate fasciculus, and there is also the presence of the cingulum. There is the cingulum and the superior longitudinal fasciculus. There is inferior longitudinal fasciculus. Next comes the fronto-occipital fasciculus. And there is also presence of the fornix. There is fornix. So fornix, there is an exception. There is except the hippocampal commissure of the fornix. Except the hippocampal commissure of the fornix. Next we look at the projection fibers. So under the projection fibers, they are nothing but the fibers which pass to and from the brainstem to the cerebral cortex. So they pass to and fro from the brainstem to the cerebral cortex. So from the brainstem to the cerebral cortex, cerebral cortex. So here, what are the components? So it includes there are the presence of the internal capsule and the corona radiata. So there is the internal capsule as well as the corona radiata.